Hello dear students, we already completed 3 problems. I think you all understood that it is not that much easy. If you concentrate very well in that problem, then only you can understand. That means all the parts are very, very important. If you missed one content, you can't prove what you have to prove. That's why concentrate very well, then only you can prove these type problems. Okay. Next problem is two parallel lines L and M are intersected by a transversal P. Show that the quadrilateral formed by the bisectors of interior angles is a rectangle. Yes. First we have to consider two parallel lines L and M. Yes, two parallel lines L and M and a transversal P. Yes. Then the bisect now if two parallel lines and if it is intersected by a transversal, there are four interior angles. Then we have to consider the bisectors of interior angles. Okay. Bisector of this angle, bisector of this angle, bisector and bisector of this angle. Okay. What we have to prove then? Now we can see that in the interior a quadrilateral formed. You have to prove that quadrilateral is a rectangle. Okay. Two parallel lines L and M intersected by a transversal P show that the quadrilateral formed by the bisectors of interior angles is a rectangle. Okay, we can consider some, for example, yes. Here 2 points AB, then here 2 points CD. AB and CD and M and this intersection point N. These two intersection point X, then Y. Now we have to prove that MYNX is a rectangle. We have to prove that this MY, that means this one, MYNX is a rectangle. Okay. You know that it is a quadrilateral. Now if each angle is 90 degree, the quadrilateral will be a rectangle. That is why you have to prove the angles in the quadrilateral. Each angle in the quadrilateral MYNX is 90 degree. Then it will be a parallelogram. Sorry, it will be a rectangle. Yes, dear children, it is given that AB parallel to CD and P is the transversal. If AB and CD are parallel, now we can tell its alternate interior angles are equal. What are yes? Consider the alternate interior angles. Which of them? One alternate interior, yes, pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal means what we can tell? Angle AMN equal to angle MND. Angle AMN equal to angle MND. Angle AMN equal to angle MND. AMN equal to angle MND. And yes, if it is so, half of angle AMN equal to, half of angle MND. Half of angle AMN equal to half of angle MND. Yes. If two are equal means its halves also equal. Okay. Next, what is half of AMN? AMN, consider the angle AMN. This one. This AMN. Now we can tell that MX is its bisector. It's already, we already considered, so MX is the bisector means AMN the total angle. So MX divides AMN into two equal parts. Which are them? AMX and XMN, two equal parts. So half of AMN is same as which one? XMN. That means instead of half of AMN you can write XMN and XMN. We can write so. Half of AMN equal to XMN, angle XMN. Same way, what is half of MND? Half of MND, yes. Which is the angle MND? Yes, this one. In this MND, total angle N, then it's a half. Half mean that means here NY is the bisector means what we can tell MNY and YND are equal. That means the total angle MND is divided by how MNY and YND. So these two are equal means half of MND is same as MNY. Half of MND is same as MNY equal to angle MNY. Okay, see the figure. Now we proved that angle XMN yes, this small angle XMN equal to angle MNY. These two angles equal. That means here already AB parallel to CD and this MN transversal. This MN transversal. Okay, these two angles. Yes, then MN is the transversal of this one. Then now we got these two angles equal means what we can tell XM is parallel to NY. Because alternate interior angles equal for any two lines means they are parallel. Then what we can tell XM parallel to NY. XM parallel to NY. Now we got XM parallel to NY. Okay. XM parallel to NY. Next. Now we proved that XM parallel to NY. Same way, similarly, if you are considering other two angles, that means angle BMN and angle MNC, we can same way we can prove that MY parallel to XN. Yes, then we can write that. Yes, instead of here, these two first we considered AMN and MND, alternate one pair of alternate interior angle. And yes, from the half of that one, we proved that XM parallel to NY. The next pair of alternate interior angle, which one? BMN and MNC. BMN and MNC, while considering that one, we will get MY parallel to XN. So we can write similarly my parallel to xn. My similarly my parallel to xn. My parallel to xn. Now we got two pair of parallel sides. These two are parallel and these two are parallel. Next, it's a quadrilateral with two pairs, that is opposite sides are parallel. Then next we have to prove that one angle is 90 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, then this is a parallelogram with a one angle 90 degree means it is a rectangle. Now we are going to prove any one angle of this XMYN is 90 degree. Yes, consider the angles AM and AMN and NMB. What is AMN plus NMB? AMN plus NMB. Okay. Angle AMN plus angle NMB equal to 180 degree. Why? They are linear pair. Is it? Then half. Consider the half. Half of angle AMN plus half of angle NMB. NMB equal to half of 180. Yes. What is half of AMN from the figure? Half of AMN. Half of AMN is which one? Angle AMN. Yes, its half is XMN. Okay, XMN. Half of AMN is same as XMN. So this one is angle XMN plus what is half of NMB? Half of NMB. NMB is half, we can consider which one? NMY. Is NMY. Plus angle NMY equal to half of 180 is 90. That is angle XMN plus angle NMY equal to 90. Yes, we can identify here angle XMN. That means this white mark. Yes. Angle XMN. Angle XMN plus angle NMY equal to sum of these two is 90 degree. We got that. That means in the quadrilateral XMYN we got one angle is 90 degree. So this one, the total quadrilateral is a rectangle. Okay, dear children. Yes, again I tell you, dear children, it is not that much easy. Yes, try to understand each step, then only you can follow this. Okay. Then the next problem is show that bisectors of angles of a parallelogram form a rectangle. Show that bisectors of angles of a parallelogram form a rectangle. Okay. We have to prove we have to consider a parallelogram. Okay. Then name this one as A, B, C, D. Then consider its bisectors. Bisectors. What we have to prove? We have to prove P, this intersection point Q, RS is a rectangle, is it? Is a rectangle. Show that the bisectors of angles of parallelogram form a rectangle. We have to prove this PQRS, that middle one. PQRS is a rectangle. Yes. How will you prove PQRS is a rectangle? If PQRS is a quadrilateral, if all the angle is 90 degree, this one is a rectangle. Okay. Now it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. So AB and CD are parallel, and we can consider this AD is its transversal. Okay, dear children, we know that in a parallelogram, adjacent sides are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary means sum of these two angles equal to 180. This angle and this two angles sum is 180. Then what we can write? Angle A plus angle D equal to 180. Angle A plus angle D equal to 180. Then angle A and angle D bisected by its bisectors. Okay. Then here AR is the bisector of angle A and DP is the bisector of angle D. So here I am considering half of this. Yes, that means half of angle A plus half of angle D equal to half of 180. What is half of angle A? Half of angle A is same as angle SAD. Angle SAD, SAD. Then what is half? Total half. What is half of angle D? Half of angle D is angle ADS. Angle ADS plus angle ADS equal to 90 degree. Angle SAD plus angle ADS 90 degree. See the figure? Angle SAD plus, we can use another. These two angles sum. While adding these two, this one is 90 degree. You know that in the total triangle ASD is consider the triangle ASD. Total sum is 180. Angle of three angles, sum of three angles is 180. While adding these two 90, then what will be the measure of angle S? Total you have to get in triangle ASD. Sum of three angles is 180. While adding angle A and angle D, you are getting 90. So, angle S will be, what the measure? 90. If angle S equal to 90. Yes, this angle is 90. If angle is 90, this vertically opposite angle, this one also 90 degree. Okay. Now, we got that one 90 degree. Same way while considering the next triangle BQC. Same method. These two angles are supplementary. Sorry, these two angles are supplementary. This one. These two total angles supplementary. While considering the half of that one, this two sum will get 90. So, angle Q you will get 90. So, this angle also will get 90. Similarly, you get 90. Now, it is enough to prove that angle P and angle R also 90. How will you prove angle P and angle R? Yes, same method. Now, we got which of them? Angle PSR equal to 90 and angle PQR also 90. Angle SAD plus angle ADS 90 degree. So, what we can write? Angle ASD equal to 90 degree. Angle ASD equal to 90 degree. I've already told you the reason, because total sum in a triangle is, sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So, that two sum is 90. So, remaining also 90. Angle ASD 90 means what we can tell? Angle PSR also 90. Angle PSR 90. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Similarly, what we can write? Angle angle BQC 90, so angle PQR also 90. BQC 90, angle BQC equal to 90, so angle PQR equal to 90. Angle PQR equal to 90 degree. Now we got PSR 90, PQR 90. Now we are going to prove which one angle R equal to 90. Same method, dear children. Consider the triangle ARB. Consider the triangle ARB. Here also angle ABCD is a parallelogram. So sum of angle A plus angle B 180. Angle A plus angle B 180. These two total 180. Then its half is 90. Yes. These two half 90. That means in the triangle total ARB, in this triangle, this ARB, this 290 means in the triangle AB here. In this triangle ARB, this two angles 90 means this remaining angle are also 90, and then only total will get 90 degree. Similarly, where we can angle R equal to 90. Same way, if you consider the triangle DPC, these two, yes, these two will be 90, so the remaining P also will be 90. Then we can write in triangle ABR, in triangle ABR, angle BAR plus ABR equal to 90. Angle BAR plus ABR. Angle BAR plus angle ABR equal to 90. So angle, which one? The remaining, which is the third angle, angle ARB equal to 90. Angle ARB equal to 90. That means angle R equal to 90 degree. 90 means 90 degree. Similarly, what we can tell, angle, similarly, angle Q also, is it Q? Angle P. Similarly, angle P also 90 degree. Angle P also 90 degree. Now we got angle P equal to angle Q equal to angle R equal to angle S equal to 90 degree. So PQRS is a rectangle. Okay.